When Texans hear a winter storm is coming, the rush for supplies is largely driven by the collective trauma and prepper instinct left by Winter Storm Uri in 2021. That event caused a catastrophic grid failure, leaving millions without power, water, or heat for days and resulting in hundreds of deaths. Because the state's infrastructure is famously vulnerable to ice, which snaps power lines and freezes natural gas equipment, people now stock up to control the uncontrollable. The sight of empty shelves often triggers a contagious panic, where residents buy essentials like water, bread, toilet paper, and wood, not just for the weather, but to avoid being left empty-handed if supply chains freeze again.
Look at that. Oh my goodness.
People think they're gonna
Oh! And here we go with the toilet paper aisle. There we go. Almost empty. Almost empty. There you go. My goodness. Oh, look at that. Come in. Look how big this is.
I've seen commercials.
Oh my gosh.
Yep, no bread.
Well, we gotta get what we can. What do you want, big boy?
You pick something, there not any actual bread around.
Whoa, look at that.
You think you wanted soups?
Yeah. Wow, they ran out of canola. They have that canola over there. Oh my god, it's expensive. Oh my goodness, where are all the selections of hot dogs that I like? It's not here. Well, that's all they got?
This is it.
Yep. Everybody's
No
gonna.
more support.
Oh no. We'll see what they have.